minutes to Gas.
Maiksi lang to, te.
Naiksi lang.
Oo.
Tapos Tagaytay na.
Oo, yung tapos paglabas natin, may dadaanan pa tayong konting National Road, tapos Tagaytay na. Pero malapit tayo sa Tagaytay paglabas natin.
Nato ba rin? Tiplex? Isitip?
Calax,
Calax.
Cavite, Laguna Expressway.
Out here, many warehouse.
Pabrika.
Yeah. What it is, you know, you work here, but you live in Gabon.
Oh,
There's no.
and
You don't do it.
every day you go out,
Yeah.
how much your pamasahe?
My goodness. 10 hours walking, working in the 12 hours traveling,
Yes, you can
2
go.
hours sleep.
So 24 hours na complete. 4 hours.
But your salary is
800. 800.
Yeah.
Sana 2,000 eh. Tapos may pang-iwan ka sa pamilya eh. Di ba tig-1K kayo?
Salary mo wala pa sa minimum.
Wala eh.
Ganun-ganun.
Dito lang naman